Welcome to my channel. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Get up. He gets up after 5 minutes. Make the bed. I make my bed every morning. Brush teeth. She brushes her teeth twice a day. Wash face. I wash my face with cold water. Take a shower. He takes a shower before breakfast. Comb hair. She combs her hair neatly. Get dressed. I get dressed for school. Wear shoes. Wear your shoes before going out. Eat breakfast. We eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Drink water. Don't forget to drink water. Go to school. I go to school by rickshaw. Study. He studies English every day. Do homework. I do my homework after lunch. Read a book. She reads a book before sleeping. Write. I write in my diary. Use computer. He uses the computer for study. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Take a nap. Grandpa takes a nap in the afternoon. Come home. I come home at 5 o'clock. Watch TV. They watch TV together. Play. Children play in the field. Help parents. I help my mother in the kitchen. Eat dinner. We eat dinner at 9 p.m. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Take rest. After work, I take rest. Clean the room. She cleans her room every day. Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor in the morning. Take out the trash. Please take out the trash. Go shopping. They go shopping on weekends. Cook food. My mother cooks delicious food. Wash dishes. Wash the dishes after dinner. Water the plants. He waters the plants daily. Feed the pet. I feed my dog every morning. Listen to music. She listens to music while studying. Read newspaper. I read the newspaper every morning. Exercise. He exercises at the gym daily. Go for a walk. I go for a walk after dinner. Write a letter. I write a letter to my friend. Take medicine. She takes medicine twice a day. Call a friend. He calls his friend every evening. Charge the phone. Don't forget to charge your phone. Clean the house. They clean the house every Saturday. Do laundry. I do laundry on Sundays. Iron clothes. Mother irons clothes every morning. Say good morning. I say good morning to my neighbors. Say good night. She says good night before sleeping. Set the alarm. I set the alarm for 6 a.m. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Sleep. She sleeps for 8 hours. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.